In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify authentication code. Whether you're setting up two-factor authentication for added security or just ensuring your store data is extra protected, this process is essential for Shopify store users. To start off, you first need to navigate to the Shopify admin panel. You'll want to go to your store's homepage on Shopify. This can be done by logging into your Shopify account at the admin URL you usually use. Once there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the option titled My Store and click on it. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your store, from products to customer interaction. Next, within the My Store dashboard, you'll want to focus on account settings. Here, you should see a section labeled Email. Click on the Email option, which is where you'll manage your account's contact information and communication settings. This step is crucial because email is typically the primary way Shopify contacts you for verification and other important communications. Once you're in the email section, your next destination is security related. Locate and click on the Security tab. This section covers everything that keeps your store's information and personal data locked down. Under Security, you will find the two-step authentication option. This is where you'll set up additional layers to safeguard your account. Two-step authentication, or 2FA as it's often called, is an industry-standard approach to ensuring only you have access to your sensitive information. Click on this option to proceed. When you enter the two-step authentication setup, Shopify will guide you through the process of enabling this feature. It's usually a straightforward process where Shopify asks you to confirm your email or phone number, ensuring that the additional authentication step you set up is linked to a secure contact point you control. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through your Shopify admin settings to turn on two-factor authentication, adding a significant layer of security to your account. Remember, keeping your store's data secure is not just a best practice, it's vital to maintaining customer trust and the integrity of your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow these instructions carefully each time you manage your store's security settings. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to Shopify support to ensure you're fully protected. Stay secure and see you next time.